guys. Where are we today?
Dell'Osso Family Farm.
Dell'Osso Family Farm?
Uh-huh.
Okay then. Gonna shoot some apples, Kaden? Gotta go pick a spot. Pick a gun. I'll load up. Let's load it up. Push it. Can you push it? I'll do it. Okay, let's push it in. In. Oh, good job, Kaden.
Dell'Osso Express. Please remain seated and keep your hands and feet inside the train at all times. You are traveling on a quarter-scale, exact replica of the 1893 Huntington train.
Oh, we're going!
Yes, we're going.
All the many changes we made last year for our guests' enjoyment. We are also serving pizzas on Cider Hill. We planted these lawns with a special variety of grass that uses only 20% of the water of regular grass. With the other farms in the area, and we think it is important to instill the value of good planning and thoughtful stewardship of our resources for the beauty of this land. Just look at the changes and how the trees have grown in the last few years. We head back to the station. If you dare, take a walk through the haunted forest. You never know what you will see lurking around each corner.
Hey there. Hello guys, we're here. Whoa. Whoa. There's a pig. Oh no, there's a pig up there. Oh yeah. Oh no, what's that up there? Okay, get him, hold on side. Okay, let's go guys. Stay close. What's that? Whoa! No! Say hi, kid. Did you just say hi? Alright, you did it, Kaden. Good job. Alright, look who's rolling. Go ahead, Rian. You got this. Come on, you got this, Rian. Where's Kaden? Oh no, Kaden's going. Kaden's going. Go ahead, Kaden. Go ahead. You got it. You're funny. Oh yeah, look at Rian.
I'm too tall for this thingy. Want to just get powered?
Okay. Got it, kid. Good obstacle. Got it, kid. Come on, you gotta be fast. guys.
I beat everyone.
That's cool. Where's mommy's duck? Oh, mommy's duck right there.
Why is it so steep?
Whoa. Alright, guys. Going to the corn maze.
So 1 or 2?
Alright, I can see the thing
Wait,
up there.
if you find these, then you can find the word.
Oh, okay.
See. Ooh.
What's that, guys? Oh, we can go up there.
Wait, I can find the way out.
Yeah?
Ooh.
Whoa.
Oh,
Look at this maze.
So okay, start here.
Wait, hold on. Where's the map? I think we found this clue.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's one clue. Whoa, there's the other clue.
Hey!
Hey.
I think you don't get a trick. You normally get one of these.
What's the answer?
A.
Whoa. Yeah. You guys going that way? I'm gonna go this way. Haha! That's a shortcut, guys.
Well, you could have.
Good job, Ian. How do you like the Dell'Osso farms?
Good.
Was it fun, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. That was cool.